What's going on, nerds? Shazonendo right here, and let's talk comics. Kalau korang nampak kualiti ni macam tahi sikit, it's because aku lupa nak charge kamera aku. So aku terpaksa gunakan phone aku. And kebetulan semalam-malam Marvel Television baru release Wonder Man nya official trailer, man. Kalau korang dah layan aku punya reaction earlier on, thank you so much. And aku tak expect diorang akan release trailer like few days later. And then aku realise yang oh yeah, New York Comic Con is currently ongoing right now. So that's why diorang release serentak. And besides, Wonder Man series patutnya keluar on December, but then tiba-tiba push back kan. Ya, tiba-tiba push back, and then sekarang macam dorang pump trailer ni. Anyways, let's not waste any more time. Let's get right into it, because aku akan review sekali serentak for this trailer. 3, 2, 1, go.
The entertainment world is stunned today when internationally celebrated and reclusive filmmaker Von Kovac sprung out of retirement to sign on for a remake of Wonder Man. Mr. Von Kovac, could you tell us more?
Aku suka how dia punya Wonder Man yang dulu tu kat movies Mak Saleh. Because kat komik exactly nampak macam dia ni saya. Kan dia looks like AI.
So, what's this big audition you were talking about?
It's a huge opportunity. I'm auditioning for Wonder Man.
Oh.
Did you hear about Wonder Man? I need to be in this movie.
Sorry, you crazy.
I was born to play this character.
Are you serious? Boo, they are already talking to Leo.
You just gotta go out there and crush it.
But Yahya still Simon Williams kan?
What's wrong?
I'm trying to come up with a backstory for the character.
Well, trust the words. Just show up and say them.
That's not my process.
Well, your process can go blow a spider.
Guy's killing it in there, bro.
Where have we seen him before? Pretty sure he
Nampaknya
used to be a
teori ni
terrorist.
salah lah. Sa Mandarin ni.
Slate whenever you're ready.
Simon Williams.
Simon
ready
Williams
for
lah.
Wonder Man.
Listen to me, Simon. The callback is happening now. Just be normal.
Normal man. The breakdown is go method.
Meta acting.
Come in. Mr. Kovac will meet you in the living room.
Macam
So
mana
you
ni?
are here to meet Von Kovac?
Hello, everyone.
It's so different from the comics ni.
Explore the place between fiction and non-fiction.
Ni Muhammad dah kena bunuh dengan Hot Girl terus masuk MCU
No one will have the balls to make another. And action!
Any news from Von Kovac?
There is news you'll be the first to know.
Unless you call me again, in which case I will never tell you.
8 episode. Oh ya, dengar-dengar 8 episod akan stream serentak on January 27. Tak tahu lah, trailer not convincing. Sama, okay, aku sekarang tengah rekod ni jam pukul 1 petang tau. Trailer ni keluar pukul 3 pagi semalam. And aku tak tengok lagi time tu. Aku tunggu untuk rekod sama-sama dengan korang, untuk react sama-sama. But then bila bangun pagi tadi, aku nampak ramai orang macam cakap diorang tak hype. Amber Heard pun dia post kat Instagram yang dia cakap dia tak hype untuk Wonder Man. Because aku tak tahu, maybe aku seorang kot hype Wonder Man ni, because maybe aku dah baca Wonder Man ni sejak aku daripada kecil lagi. Yeah, so to have the idea of Wonder Man having a live action kat dalam Marvel Television ni buat aku excited gila lah, because yalah, dia nostalgic kan. Ya, so tapi bila aku dapat at first bila dapat tahu Yahya Abdul Mati akan jadi Wonder Man, aku macam and then bila tu trailer ni macam okay, so they are going to a different route, which they are gonna hire someone to play Wonder Man. And nampaknya Simon Williams ni tak ada power macam kat komik. Siapa belum tengok aku punya Wonder Man Origin, go and head down to aku punya Wonder Man Origin. Aku ada explain sikit pasal Wonder Man. But dalam this series, as based on the trailer, tengok macam Samuel Williams is just normal guy pergi audition untuk Wonder Man, and dia kena fight dengan Trevor, aka the Mandarin yang kita kenal lah. Theory aku was because kat dalam komik Hercules yang recommend Simon Williams kat Hollywood punya pelakon-pelakon semua kan. But it looks like aku theory was Trevor ni yang akan recommend Simon Williams kat Hollywood punya konteks, sama macam kat komik where Hercules yang recommend Simon Williams. Tapi based on the trailer nampak macam diorang adalah rival kat dalam this series. But then nothing convinced me man this trailer except for the humor. The comedy part is pada aku okay, but tak tahu for 8 episodes adakah kita akan nampak Simon Williams ni in action ataupun Simon Williams ni just audition for the series Wonder Man. Because apa yang kita tahu sekarang ni, Wonder Man ni adalah a movie character in the MCU tau. So tapi the funny thing is nobody ever mentioned about Wonder Man kat dalam MCU ni, if korang realise kan. But tak tahulah. I mean the idea of Simon Williams dia adalah Hollywood, pelakon Hollywood ni semua is perfect gila, because kat dalam komik pun dia adalah pelakon Hollywood ataupun a superhero yang cuba nak jadi pelakon. But it seems like Simon Williams ni adalah a normal person in the MCU and trying to be a character called Wonder Man. Tak tahu how is it going to turn out, because macam kita tahu kat dalam komik dia dapat powers ni from Baron Zemo, and maybe just tu macam sedapkan hati aku sebagai Wonder Man fan ni, maybe kita akan dapat ending of Wonder Man ni, ataupun the episode nombor 7 ni kita akan dapat yang Wonder Man ni tiba-tiba dapat powers from some accident ke apa kan. I don't think Baron Zemo is gonna be involved in this, but maybe something happened during kat diorang punya set ke apa, and then that's how he gain his powers. Because kat dalam komik macam mana dapat powers is through Baron Zemo. Baron Zemo gunakan Simon Williams ni sebagai eksperimen dia untuk create another superhuman untuk join dia punya villainnya team, Masters of Evil something like that, and then fight dengan Avengers. But maybe theory aku dia akan got into an accident kat Hollywood ni during shooting Wonder Man, and that's how he gains his powers. But it has to do something with ionic energy, because kat dalam komik that's how he got his powers. Baron Zemo masukkan dalam badan dia ionic energy dengan apa aku tak ingat. But kat dalam komik juga Baron Zemo is the only person yang boleh curekan dia or something like that, because dia tahu macam nak buat benda tu, because dia yang ciptakan Wonder Man ni kan. But tak tahulah macam mana kat dalam this movie is going to be. I mean dulu kita dah nampak yang Yahya Abdul Batil ada so-called dressed up sebagai Wonder Man. Macam kat dalam komik Wonder Man-nya suit bukan saja yang ikonik kita tahu tu, baju hitam habis ada merah punya macam like apa zigzag across body dia kan. Dia juga pernah pakai macam trench coat gitu. So kita nampak juga gambar yang pernah tease dulu yang dia pakai coat warna merah dengan sunglasses warna merah kan. That's kind of comic accurate, but I don't know man. So based on the picture yang kita dapat dulu tu pun looks like Yahya Abdul Batil berjaya untuk jadi Wonder Man. So adakah dia berjaya untuk jadi Wonder Man karakter kat movie ke, ataupun dia berjaya untuk jadi Wonder Man superhero kat dalam MCU ni? Because Wonder Man cerita kau boleh buat macam-macam. Lagi-lagi sekarang Avengers dah ada full squad, and to have Wonder Man in the Avengers one day is like freaking amazing. Aku harap diorang tak waste this character macam mana diorang waste Moon Knight. Besides sampai sekarang pun kita tak tahu whether Moon Knight ada season kedua ke tak. But and ada potential lah Wonder Man ni. Sama macam TV series yang lain. Aku tak tahu whether diorang akan just kekal macam tu je. Besides by Night pun kita tak dapat continuation or whatever. I don't know man. anyways, what do you guys think? Adakah korang excited macam aku ataupun korang just macam because sekarang ni sepatutnya kita sepatut end 2025 ni dengan Wonder Man tau. Series ni sepatut keluar bulan Disember, tapi tiba-tiba tak ada angin, tak ada ribut, dorang push ke January 27. Yeah, I don't know, man. Maybe aku just harap Wonder Man ni is gonna be a good start for the Marvel Universe, Marvel Television for next year. Because Spider-Man, tu nanti aku akan borak kat ada episode lah. But yalah, so I'm looking forward lah. January 27. Harap Wonder Man ni akan buat kita rasa puas lah, macam mana kita puas dengan Agatha All Along. Okay, the reason kenapa aku sebut Agatha All Along, because Agatha All Along kita tak, no one asked for it, man. Even the Wanda fans didn't ask for that series, but then it turned out to be great. Sama macam Ironheart pun best gila. Marvel Zombies pun sama, best. So aku harap, aku ada harapan lah for Wonder Man ni. Besides, it's going to be comedy and something different. It's going to take place in Los Angeles. And adakah dia akan hint untuk West Coast Avengers? I don't know, man. Kalau korang curious siapa Wonder Man, please go ahead to aku punya video lama. Aku akan link sama-sama dengan this video. Wonder Man origin, simple origin lah, dia tak ada confusing sangat. And I don't know, man. Let's just hope for the best lah. Anyways, thank you guys for tuning in. Yang siapa belum subscribe, please subscribe to this YouTube channel Let's Talk Comics with Nando. Dengarkan podcast ni di Spotify Let's Talk Comics with Nando. Follow aku di TikTok Let's Talk Comics, dan juga follow aku di Instagram Nando. TikTok aku pun sekarang aku tengah cuba nak kasi aktif balik. Aku akan post some shots from the podcast, so please follow. And dia punya aku konsep macam biasa lah, but it's much more, interactive lah. So go and follow aku di TikTok, itu penting. Dari itu, Shazanando right here. Don't forget to catch Wonder Man on Disney Plus January 27, 2026. Let's Talk Comics, nerds. Peace. Assalamualaikum. Bye-bye.